guys, my name is Mark Abwan, I should say. So here's the thing, you know that video from last time? Yeah, this is my phone now, and I can't get the screen back, and I might need someone to repair this. What do you guys think? Who can repair this phone? Comment down below, cause I'm in Vancouver right now. And yeah, I need a new phone screen so that I could get this thing repaired. I mean, look, it's already damaged. It's just the screen, nothing else is damaged. Guys, did you see that light? What is that light? I don't see it, but do you guys see it over here? That's really strange. I haven't seen that light. That's quite strange. But now I see it on this screen. I don't see it on my phone. So that's quite weird. I can't, like, fix it or anything. I can't press anything. It's like, it's not working. It's just not working. So I may have to get like another, phone, type thing, like for the screen. Like I need a new screen wired up here. And then it should be good to go. But yeah, if you have any suggestions for me, like, yeah, if you can give me any suggestions, that would be helpful. So you can comment down below in the comments what your opinions are for my phone so that I could fix it. Because this is my Fido phone. And yeah, this is an iPhone 11, as you can tell. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next one, and like and subscribe so that we could go live. And yeah, I'll see your suggestions. So bye.